It is a brand new year, 2026. Let me be the first to wish you a very, very happy new year.
Yes,
May
yes.
it be a year of intent. To set the scene, we're continuing with The Wealth Money Can Buy from Robin Sharma. We're still in the first pillar around growth. And today's gem is called It's Wise to Keep a Journal. Good morning, Peter.
Morning, Henny. Wonderful to be with you, and Happy New Year to you and your family.
All righty. So I think what this morning's was gem is all about for me is really, really focusing around living with intent. Myself and Peter started this podcast just over a year ago, and we called it intentional living. And it's really all around living with intention. It's really all about making sure that there's actually purpose in where you're going when you live. And based on that, we started the podcast with a number of things. So, people, Peter, this morning, all about journaling. What are your thoughts on journaling?
Yeah, I think it's the foundational. If we're going to live with intent, we need to have some sort of foundation, and I think the journaling is part of that foundation. It should be just it's a no-brainer. You just have to do it, and that we need to be able to track it. So my real question that I'll be posing a little later is, what are you tracking? And I think that's the key to it. And you can't track things if you're not journaling.
To add to that, Peter, I'm one of those people that never believed in journaling, as I didn't find a place for it. But when you started mentoring me, I guess more than 2 years ago, when we spoke, you introduced me to something called GLS, and I'm sure we mentioned it before. And it's all about gratitude, learning, and success. So journaling for me every morning as part of my routine is just to get in to say, what can I be grateful for yesterday? What are the new things that I've learned yesterday, and what are the successes that I can put down? And the funny thing is, I started doing that, and that by itself is a way of journaling. So I'm actually journaling.
Yeah, you can take journaling to extremes where you go into a long narrative, but that's not what it's about. Really, it's just a case of just tracking your progress against what you're aiming for.
I always focus on process. So let me bring in process from in the beginning of the year. Everybody talks about New Year's resolutions. A lot of people do have those. And if you use the word resolution, it is actually resolution. But I think one of the key inputs, if you want to have a great year, one of the inputs in your process should be journaling, because it will just open up so many doors for you. On a day that you're down, you can open your journal and go read through it. And if that doesn't excite you, you're journaling incorrectly.
And so much that it does really excite us. So really our challenge to our listeners today is, are you tracking your successes?